If you ever need to check emails you've already scheduled in Gmail, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find them. This is really useful if you want to review a message before it sends, make sure the timing is correct, or cancel and edit a scheduled email if needed. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Then sign into your Gmail account if you aren't already logged in. Once Gmail opens, look at the left-hand menu on the screen. If you don't immediately see everything, click on More to expand the full list of folders and labels. After that, click on Scheduled. This is the section where Gmail stores every email you have set to send later. Now you'll see all of your scheduled emails listed here in one place. From this screen, you can review the messages you've prepared and check exactly what is set to go out. If you need to make changes, this is also where you can open a scheduled email and update it before it sends. So to recap, go to Gmail, click More in the left menu, then select Scheduled, and all of your scheduled emails will appear there. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.